Alright, time for another video. Man, I gotta apologize to you guys. I haven't been putting out very much lately, but that's because I have switched up my work a little bit, and I have on-call duty. So I was on call for 1 week, and then my parents showed up from California, and they were here for the next week. So I haven't been able to do anything really. So appreciate you guys sticking with me. I got another video coming up here pretty soon. I'm going to do a giveaway. Like I said, I'll give you the details and everything in that video. But stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoy watching. Seeing about this evening bite today, I'm throwing this Keitech Crazy Flapper. Pretty sweet little bait. Just another solid body frog bait. See if I can get some of these fish to wake up and bite this thing. I'm also meeting up with one of my buddies out here, my buddy Alex, who's also going to be putting out some videos here pretty soon. He just got himself a camera. So be on the lookout for that. He's not quite sure what the name of his channel is going to be, otherwise I'd tell you guys. So if he comes up with one by the time I post this video, I'll just put it in a text in the video somewhere so you guys can go check him out too. So stay tuned. Night. Didn't figure I had too much time to figure out a bunch of different baits. Oh, I just brought one rod. Oh, goodness, that's a good one. Stay down, buddy. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Woo! First one, baby. Hold still, buddy. There it is. First one of the night on the Keitech Crazy Flapper. Whoo! Not a bad little joker.
That's no big deal. I've been here for 3 hours. You've been here for 20 minutes. You've already caught a fish. Yo, fuck you.
For the love of the game. Damn, I lost him.
Not like I was just fishing there.
That was a feisty one.
Oh, dude, so I uploaded the footage of that giant ass bass
Oh yeah,
from that pond.
yeah.
It was too far away to see on the damn wide view GoPro.
Oh
But
no.
you can see a humongous splash and everything.
Yeah,
You can't really, like, actually see the fish.
yeah. That's why I want to get that better camera so you can zoom in on those things. You know what I mean? All right, ladies and James. Using Alex's rod, Alex's reel, and Alex's whopper popper,
And my line.
and my line. Oh, I mean Alex's line. We'll see if we can pull one out from underneath this tree. Ah, horrible cast. Oh, really? No love for the plopper. Good. There's got to be some more fish over here. I know there is because there was last night.
You know, watching Baylor Bass and his wife Liz, every time they throw that damn thing, kaboom!
I know, right?
Some ginormous manatee floats on it.
I keep seeing swirls over here where I'm throwing, man, but